Aloha everyone, welcome in again. David Tatera here with CryptoTutorials.org. I'm super excited to share this series with you. As you know, I'm doing the top 10 most interesting, most exciting projects that I saw, tokens that I saw released for the month of June. So well over 1,000 new tokens come out every month. There's all kinds of different things from rug puller scam tokens to really, high-end projects with backing and capital and everything in between. So I like keeping an eye on them. Sometimes I see a new project that I'm interested in investing in. Sometimes I see a new project that I just like the technology. Sometimes I want to keep an eye on who's working on the project. So I'm going to share with you the 10 most interesting that I found last month. As well as this video is going to go over how to purchase the token. So if you're interested and you do want to do it as an investment, it'll go over how to purchase it. I'm also going to link up above to another video that's going to just tell you about the token and kind of let you know, why I think it's an interesting project and worth diving in on. All right? So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you're a fan of this type of content and that you like listening to it, and we'll make sure you get to see more. And let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about LossLess. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. But before I go over how to purchase this token, I want to show you a way that you can actually get some free tokens. And I'm not talking about scammy, crappy coins that are out there. I mean name brand, high quality tokens. So I teach a thing called the Airdrop Masterclass. Normally it's $97. Right now, if you go to getmyfreecrypto.com, link down below, and sign up for it, I will send you a link that you can take that class totally free. It's going to show you everything about how to find the right airdrops, how to apply for them and successfully get them. I literally let you watch me as I go through the process. So you have no excuse. You can definitely go out and get some free crypto. All right, go to getmyfreecrypto.com, sign up for the Airdrop Masterclass before we change the price. And let's go pick up some LossLess token. Start off here on CoinGecko, pull it up and take a quick look at everything. Wow, this looks like it's done well in the last day. And scroll down. Yeah, it's on an upswing for sure. After a long flat. I wish I'd picked it up a couple days ago. But anyway, we're gonna grab some LossLess token and we'll see where it goes from here. As far as the markets go, you can see it is on Uniswap, it is on KuCoin as the wrapped. You can get it on Pancake Swapped, but we're going to do KuCoin because they've got pretty good liquidity and it's an exchange that I use a lot, one of my favorites. So let's go over and pick up some LossLess here. Spot trade. LSS, and there you go. It's got only an LSS to USDT pair, but we'll pick a little bit up. I have to enter my trading password, but then I'm going to do a market order because I'm just buying it at the spot price, whatever it's going at right now. I'm not trying to set a price and get anything special on it. I am going to buy 15 USD tethers worth of LossLess, which should probably get me, I don't know, 75 coins, something like that. And I click to buy my LossLess, and ka-ching, I get that little noise that tells me that it has gone through. I'm now the owner of 67.4447 LossLess. KuCoin is that easy and that quick. If you haven't used KuCoin before, I'm going to put a link up top. I got a video that shows you everything you need to know about setting up and using KuCoin. But now we can go and we can look in our trading account at my assets, and it is going to show, boom, right there, some LossLess tokens, $14.90 worth of them. I guess they've gone down 10 cents already since I bought. But anyway, that's the ticket. That's all you got to do. Pretty straightforward, pretty darn easy. Do me a favor. Click on the like and the subscribe buttons down below. It helps out a huge amount with getting these videos out. I hope you appreciate them. Leave some comments if you have questions, and I'll keep making them. Rock and roll. Aloha.